Think about your students. Which learners struggle the most with managing time or organizing resources? You can picture them immediately, can't you? Today, we're going to explore research-informed strategies that really help your students develop these essential self-management skills. When we talk about self-management, we talk about two core components: time management and organization. Time management is all about planning, prioritizing tasks, managing deadlines, and pacing work effectively. Organization, on the other hand, is about structuring notes, materials, and resources so that students can think clearly and work efficiently. Research on self-regulated learning shows us that students who manage their time and organize their work consistently outperform those who don't. And it's not because they're more intelligent, it's because they're more strategic. Let's start simple with planning tools. I'm thinking about weekly planners, checklists, digital reminders, nothing complicated, but incredibly powerful when used well. The key is not the tool itself, the key is modeling how to use it strategically. Show your students how to break a project into smaller steps, set interim deadlines, and check progress. Even a simple paper checklist, when used consistently and reflected on weekly, can really transform how students approach tasks. Large assignments can often feel overwhelming, and this feeling often leads to procrastination or rushed work. Chunking means breaking a task into manageable milestones, so instead of assigning a project which is due in 6 weeks, guide your students to select a topic, to gather resources, to create an outline, to draft specific sections, and then finally leave time to review and refine. Cognitive psychology shows us that when students work toward the smaller goals, they are more likely to start early, sustain focus, and produce higher quality results. You don't need to reduce challenge, you just need to structure it. An example of a long-term project that could be broken down into bite-sized chunks is the IB's extended essay. For tips on how to organize the extended essay for your students, you can watch this video here and also download the template in the description below. Organization isn't about tidy folders. It is in fact about freeing up cognitive space. When students aren't searching for worksheets or scrolling endlessly through their folders, they are thinking. Executive function research shows that organized systems reduce cognitive load and increase capacity for higher order thinking. Spend time modeling how to label folders effectively. Provide note templates. Show your students how to take notes effectively. Guide students to set up digital structures for long research projects. Organization is not a personality trait, it is a learning strategy. Self-management is not an extra. It is the foundation that makes inquiry possible. It is what allows assessment to feel manageable, and it is what builds independent learners, independent IB learners. So start small. Choose one strategy this week, model it explicitly, reflect on it, and notice what changes. You don't need to do more. You need to make these processes visible. If you found this video useful, like it, share it with a colleague, and for more practical guidance, subscribe to my channel. See you soon.